If you're seeing a Beehiiv publication error, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get your post published or scheduled without losing your work. This is a simple troubleshooting guide you can follow whether your draft is not loading properly, the publish button is not responding, or Beehiiv is showing an error when you try to send your newsletter. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software tutorials. Let's get into it. First, refresh your Beehiiv dashboard. Sometimes the issue is just a temporary loading problem, and a quick refresh is all it takes to reset the page. If that does not work, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can cause Beehiiv to fail when syncing drafts or sending publish commands. Next, go to Write, then Post, and reopen your draft. This helps reload the post inside the editor and can clear out any minor glitch that was blocking the publication process. Once the draft opens, click Preview. Previewing the post can force Beehiiv to recheck the content and reveal any missing fields or formatting problems. Now make sure your post has a title. A missing title is one of the most common reasons a publication error happens, and Beehiiv may not publish the post until that field is completed. After that, make sure your post has content written inside the editor. Even if the draft looks saved, an empty editor or incomplete content can still trigger an error when you try to publish. Then, check the Audience tab. This is important because some publication issues happen when the audience settings are incomplete, too broad, or not selected correctly for the post. After that, check the Email tab. Make sure your email settings are properly configured and that nothing there is causing the error behind the scenes. If your post contains any missing image or broken embed, disable it or remove it. Broken media elements often cause Beehiiv to fail during publish or schedule actions, especially if the post is trying to load a resource that no longer exists. Once you've cleaned that up, click Save Draft. Saving the draft again can refresh the post state and help Beehiiv recognize all of the updated changes. Then try clicking Publish or Schedule again. In many cases, the error disappears after the draft is resaved and the missing field or broken element is fixed. If the issue still continues, log out and log back in. This can refresh your session and clear any account-related hiccups that may be causing the publication problem. If that does not solve it, try using a different browser like Chrome. Some browser extensions, cookies, or compatibility issues can interfere with Beehiiv, so switching browsers is a very good next step. And finally, clear your browser cache. Old cache data can sometimes conflict with the current version of the Beehiiv dashboard and keep the same error coming back. Once the cache is cleared, reopen Beehiiv and try publishing one more time. By following these steps carefully, you should be able to fix most Beehiiv publication errors and get your post live again. If this tutorial saved you time, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.